scrap 9 patch. It is what it says. It's scrap and it's 9 patch. And I chose to do this because the 2 sizes I tend to cut and put into shoe boxes waiting for inspiration are 2.5 inches and 2 inches. Now I had a shoe box full of little units that were 2 by 5, and the plan was to actually do a braid quilt. But having made a couple of those, I really just didn't fancy doing it again. So they've been sitting waiting for inspiration, and then I thought, you know what, 9 patches is a really easy thing to do. It lends itself to scrap. So that's going to go on here. This is 3. And then we've got this one, which is a 1 again. So this 1 needs a similar corner to this one. So they're on either end. And the end of this would have a corner on too.